Improve your English. One quiz at a time.
Hello, 7th graders. Today, we'll read a passage together and answer questions to improve reading comprehension skills. Let's begin. The lost phone. Last Friday, Mia was walking home from school when she noticed something shiny under a bench. Curious, she bent down and picked up a phone. The screen was cracked, and there was no case on it. Mia looked around, but no one seemed to be searching for anything. She thought about taking it to the police, but the station was far, and she had homework to do. Then she had an idea. Maybe she could find the owner by checking the contacts. The phone had a little battery left, so she turned it on and opened the call log. The last person called was labeled Mom. Mia called the number. A woman answered quickly and sounded worried. "Oh my gosh, thank you," she said, after Mia explained. They agreed to meet at a nearby cafe. When Mia arrived, a woman and a teenage boy were waiting. It was his phone. They thanked Mia and offered her a reward, but she kindly refused. "I just wanted to help," she smiled. As she walked home, she felt proud. Sometimes, the right thing isn't the easiest, but it's always worth it. Now, let's answer the questions. Relax and do your best. Question 1. What did Mia find under the bench? She found a lost phone with a cracked screen. Question 2. Why didn't she go to the police station? Because it was far and she had homework. Question 3. Who did Mia call to find the phone's owner? She called the number labeled Mom. Question 4. How did the owner react when he got his phone back? He and his mother thanked Mia and offered a reward. Question 5. What lesson did Mia learn at the end? Doing the right thing isn't always easy, but it's worth it.